Namaste. In today's video, we will be learning about physical features of India. So, what are the topics to be covered in today's video? Northern mountains, northern plains, Peninsular Plateau, Thar Desert, coastal plains and islands of India. Now, we can see in this image that northern mountains are arc-shaped chain which is stretching for about 3000 kilometers, and it is the highest chain of young fold mountains. Here Karakoram, in the range Karakoram, K2 or Mount Godwin Austen is the highest peak in India and second highest in the world. In the passes we have the Karakoram pass, which allows moving from one mountain to the other mountain and allowing the passage. Other ranges include, you can see in this Ladakh range, then Janskar range and Pir Panjal range. Two glaciers origin in this region. Those are Siachen glacier and Boltoro glaciers. You can see the location of Boltoro glacier over here in this image. Next is Himalayas, in which these mountain ranges, Himalayas, are actually divided into three parallel ranges: Greater Himalayas, and which is known as Himadri. It is located between the river valleys of Indus and Brahmaputra. Nepal, Lhotse. In Nepal, we have Lhotse, Makalu and Annapurna, Dhaulagiri. These ranges present. In Indian part, we have Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parvat, Nanda Devi and Trishul and Kamet ranges are located. Here, the glaciers like Gangotri and Yamunotri, they originate from Himalayas. Second range, that is Lesser Himalaya or Himachal range. Here in this region we have popular hill stations like Shimla, Manali, Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling and Gangtok. Third parallel range is Outer Himalayas, which is also known as Shivalik range, which is merging with the Himachal range in the eastern part, and it is actually composed of loose soft rocks, because of which this region is prone to earthquake and landslides. Dunes are the broad longitudinal valleys, right? What are dunes? These are the longitudinal vertical valleys. Example is Dehradun, very famous valley. Purvanchal mountains. These are the extension of Himalayas in the northeast, and it consists of different small ranges like Patkaibam, Naga, Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Mizo, Luchai hills in the eastern part of India, northeastern part of India, and there are many passes located in this region. You can see like Jozila, Shipkila, Nathula and Bomdila. These are the famous passes of India. Now the next physical division is northern plains. So these northern plains are very extensive flat plains south of Himalayas. Location wise, the north part is the Himalayan mountain range, and then it is Indo-Gangetic plains or northern plains, which are located over here south of Himalayas. They are alluvial plains. Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, which are the other tributaries of these rivers, they have created flat plains which are very fertile and best location for agricultural activities. Northern plains are actually divided into three parts. Let's understand the first, that is Indus plain. Indus plains are mainly drained by the rivers like Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias and Satluj. Now major part of these plains lies in Pakistan. Some part lies in India, where Punjab and Haryana, these are the states which have the extension of these plains. You can see the major part located in Pakistan, a very small part is located in India. Second division of northern plain is Ganga plain, and it mostly covers UP, then Northern Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and these plains are mostly drained by Ganga and its tributaries like Yamuna, Gandak, Kosi, Son, Ghaggar, and Damodar River. Third division is Brahmaputra plain, and Brahmaputra, the river Brahmaputra actually it originates in Tibet, where it is known as Sampo, and major part of this Brahmaputra plains are located in Assam region, our state Assam. It is mainly drained by different rivers like Sabansiri, then Bharali, Manas, Dhanshiri, Tista, other tributaries. Ganga and Brahmaputra, both of these rivers create large delta over here, which is known as Sundarban Delta, which is world famous for the extension and the marshes over here. Peninsular Plateau. It is the oldest landmass which is located in the south of northern plains. The extent of these Peninsular Plateau is the central and southern part of India. It is composed of hard igneous rocks and metamorphic rocks. These plateaus are very rich in minerals, hence they are economically very important. It is divided by Narmada River Valley. Uh, First is Malwa and second is Deccan Plateau. So first Malwa Plateau, it is located between Aravalli range in the northwest and Vindhya range in the south. Eastern part of this plateau is known as Bundelkhand, and in the south it is known as Baghelkhand. In Jharkhand it is known as Chota Nagpur Plateau. Rivers like Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Son, Damodar, these all rivers join Ganga or Yamuna in this region. Deccan Plateau, it lies south of Narmada Valley and it is bounded by Satpura Range, Mahadev Hills, Maikala Hills and Kaimur Hills. It extends till the southern tip of our country. Western Ghats. Western Ghats include Sahyadri, Nilgiri, Annamalai, Cardamom Hills. Anaimudi is the highest peak located here in Kerala. Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats converge with the Western Ghat in the Nilgiri region. Rivers of Eastern Ghats includes Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri River. This region is known as Deccan Tract, that means northwestern Deccan Plateau and the part of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. These are made up of lava sheets which are rich in black soil, which is good for cotton cultivation. Peninsular plateaus are drained by Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, all these rivers which empties their water in Bay of Bengal. Narmada and Tapi, these are only two rivers which empty their water in Arabian Sea. Thar Desert. Thar Desert is located northwest of Malwa and west of Aravalli in Rajasthan till Pakistan. Rivers. The rivers in Thar Desert, they drain into saline lake or disappear. Region, hence this region where the water disappears is the region of inland drainage. Luni River is the only river which is present in this region. This is also the Thar Desert is also the desert where Lake Sambar, a very important saline lake, is present. This is the location of Samba Lake in Jaipur. Coastal plains. Coastal plains are narrow coast in the east and west of shores of India. Western coastal plains are known as Konkan coast in the north and Malabar in the south. Eastern coastal plains are known as Northern Sarkas in the north and Coromandel coast in south. Indian islands, which includes Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar, you are aware about. Lakshadweep Islands are located in Arabian Sea. These islands are the group of coral islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal, and actually these are the submerged peaks of volcanic mountains, right? And hence they are actually volcanic islands. In this barren islands has the active volcano present, India's only active volcano present here. And here many islands are uninhabited, people are not living there, but few islands are inhabited by some tribes living over here. Significance of various landforms we have learned. So the various landforms, these are giving India a special distinct geographical identity, like mighty Himalayas, huge Himalayas, Himalaya ranges. They are acting as a natural barrier against the foreign invaders since ancient times, and they also protect the country from the cold winter winds coming from Arctic region, coming from north. These are also a reason behind rainfall and are the major source for different perennial rivers like Ganga and Yamuna. Second is Indo-Gangetic Plains. It is very important for agricultural activities, hence it is known as food ball of India. The Peninsular Plateau is the storehouse of number of minerals found there, and it is an important place for generation of hydroelectricity. The coastal plains, they are having lot of facilities for porting activities, the ports and harbors, because of which the foreign trade, water trade is possible, sea trade is possible. And this also plays, coastal plains also plays a very important role in regulating the temperatures in coastal area. We know that the coastal regions are much having moderate temperature compared to the other extreme the places which are having extreme temperature, which are located in the interior part of the land. In the next video we will be learning about India, climate, natural vegetation and wildlife. Bye bye.